Welcome to the channel. You're looking for the best trade signals, but how do you find them? It's SignalPeak. Let's go. Alright guys, it is time to knock your socks off. Not literally, you can keep them on, but you'll be able to buy a whole bunch more pairs with our trading software. Yes, no more 3 monitors up till 4 a.m. trying to see if chicken butter Inu is going to 15 billion X, and then doing this and looking at some weird dude on YouTube saying, this is going to be the next big coin. What if you just learn some crypto trading secrets from our awesome Telegram channels? Yes, this isn't some super secret thing where you have to open up a million Discords and then find this. We're going to give you the information you need and a free trial. So, stick with me, but before we do, I'm not a financial advisor. This is not financial advice. Please do your own research, due diligence, and don't invest in anything you're not willing to lose. All right. Your guide to crypto trading. So you want some Monero, some Pancake Swap, you want to rock that DEX or that central exchange. What do you do? What do you buy? This influencer says this. This guy says Bitcoin will be 10 million the next 2 days. This dude says Chainlink is the best. There's other people saying hit up the meme coins. There's people saying get Ethereum. How do you know? Well, you need exclusive signals. Now this has been featured in Gaza, Digital Journal, all this stuff, and we got a treasure of insider knowledge, so you don't have to guess. Don't listen to just any random person, including myself. Here is a place you can jump into curated lists. We have premium Telegram channels, good signals, elite sources. You get market insights, trading strategies. You do not have to be a genius to do this. What you do need is to install Telegram. So go ahead and install Telegram, and then you can take a look at some of these. These are all Telegram channels right here. Now what you want to do after you install Telegram, put in the white whales. Do stuff like here, Walsh Wealth Group. So we'll do one of these. Check it out. So I typed in Walsh Wealth Group, group leaks. I joined the channel. Can you do that? Boom! That's how simple it is. So, that's just one. You can simply go here, type this stuff in. I know you guys can do it right here. And you can be part of this. And that's a nice thing. You don't have to be a genius to do this. You just need time, patience, and Telegram. Still, there's always risk with trading, so keep that in mind. But you can minimize that by getting good signals. Now, signals just information that you get about like a specific thing going on in the market. Say that, a certain celebrity like, they changed their profile picture to a frog. This might go up. They got a new dev for a project for like Shiba Inu or something like that. Different things. So, you can trade anywhere, anytime with Bybit, Binance, BitGet, Coinbase, Crypto.com, and you can start for a free trial 1 day. 1 month is just $99, or get it lifetime for $350. Yes, you can get it for life. How awesome is that? You can get premium features, 92% accuracy, 24/7 support, technical, fundamental, and sentiment analysis, risk management, exact entry, future spots, alt signals, let's go. 100 premium Telegram channels? Yes, as you saw, boom, 100 premium Telegram channels. Guys, doesn't get any better than that. Now you can join them, but the premium features are going to get you more information than you can really handle, but it'll be just enough information to make the right trades. So I have so many Telegram channels, you can check across them, 24/7 support, and the accuracy is good. So how accurate is it? Well, there's no such thing as 100% accuracy, but you can get very high, and I'd say 92, doing quite well. And trade monitoring. So while you're asleep, there's trade monitoring. You don't have to sit there and try and execute all the trades if you don't want to. So just that simple. Get your trading game going. No need for 3 monitors. If you have a phone, which I'm betting you do, I'm betting you're watching this on it too, then you can rock this. So pick a plan that suits you, get signals, execute trades. It's that simple. Know that there will always be risk in trading, even with 92% accuracy, the best signals. But the good thing is you'll probably hit more than you lose. And we have over 200 VIP members. You can start your free trial, empower your crypto journey. And we have over 1,000 average monthly signals. Like I told you, that's a lot. You don't have to go through all of those. It's going to be more, but based on what you're looking for, based on what you're trying to figure out, you'll be able to crush it. So you don't have to worry about YouTubers going, this is 1 billion X, or XRP is going to $30,000, or things like that. I would stay away from that and the Instagram thing. Not that you can't look at it, but let's be fair. Some of these things are not based on data, information, what's going on in the market. You want that. It also guarantees you to access to 100 plus premium Telegram and a range of features. You can see Chino right here. One trade can cover your investment. So how would you like to pop in, trade, boom, make back the investment? And not only that, you can make $350 back, but be part of all these awesome groups and become a beast. Highly accurate signals. Thanks to SignalPeak, I've seen a significant boost in my trading. Thank you, Sarah. Yes, it is possible. You can start right here. Free trial. Now, I know you got questions. How it works is platform that offers expert guidance, 100 premium Telegram channels. How accurate? Said 92%. Now, can you use it on any exchange? Yeah, you can. It can work on Binance, Bybit. It can work for DEXs, stuff like that. And they accept crypto payments for a subscription plan. So if you want to do a little crypto, you want to do a little BTC ETH, you can rock that, USDT. And they have flexible subscription plans from monthly to lifetime access. You can get lifetime access. Just do it one time, be done, and be happy and trade. And they provide timely signals. Get market opportunities, rock that. So put away those 3 monitors or put Netflix and chill on them. Enjoy yourself. This is the peak of crypto trading experience. You can check them out on Telegram right here. Now, you can actually see proof. You can see real proof of this. Now, I'm not going to go super crazy and but you can see real proof, futures. You can see still proof, and you can even see wallets perform. So you can actually see this. Real wallets, real action, real stuff going down, along with their testimonials. So that should be more than enough proof. Look at this. Boom. So you can see futures, we can see is crushing it. Now, I'm sure you might still have questions, so you can get in touch, name, email, message. If you want to get started, you just click on Start Free Trial. We got the SignalPeak bot, and you'll open it up in Telegram. And then you can start it. Now, you have 1 day free, monthly plan, lifetime for $350, and also you do get affiliate and account, and you can talk to support here if you have questions. And it shows all of the different things right here where you can get signals. So that's it. The bot goes through all of them. Now, if you had to comb through 100 groups to find all the signals, it'd be more than time consuming. I don't think one human can do that, but you can find it all here. So that is it for SignalPeak. Get your trading game on steroids in a nutshell. Rock those Telegram channels and become the best trader. And your friends will say, how the heck did you know all that stuff was gonna 1000x? And you're like, here's my affiliate link. Boom. So if you enjoyed this video, smash that like button, hit that subscribe button, hit that notification bell to know when I post more videos. Questions or comments, let me know down below. Thanks for watching. Catch you in the next one.